Hi, my name's Ashley, the owner and creative designer of A. Shepherd Photography, also known as Ball Pics. You're watching Devin's Motorsport Talk on YouTube.
Hey everyone, my name's Lisa Whiteman of LED Riding Co. and the 1,000 Mile Challenge out of New Brunswick, and you're watching Devin's Motorsports Talk.
Monster Jam is getting a movie. What do we know? It will star Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. It's being made by Disney, and it will be a film about monster trucks, their drivers, and the culture of the sport. What does this mean for Monster Jam's future? I don't know. But it's definitely exciting that it's being made by the Harrisoners. Now, Felt Entertainment, which owns Monster Jam, does also run Disney on Ice, so there is a previous partnership there, which is nice. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. There's been no update in the last 24 hours, but if anything new comes out, this video will be updated. Thank you for watching. I think Jamie Sullivan is becoming one of Monster Jam's next superstars, and here's why. In her World Finals debut this year, she lost in the semifinals in racing, and she finished 5th in the freestyle. And she has been on a tear lately, winning events and racing competitions since World Finals, and getting better and better each week. And this week, as I'm filming this, she will be in Houston, Texas, in Thor, as she gets ready to move to Sparkle Splash in 2025. And I think she is going to excel in Sparkle Splash. And fellow Sparkle Splash driver Caleb Wood even said so when it was announced. She said that Jamie would be a future world champion, and I definitely agree with that statement. Hope. When I saw Jamie Sullivan live this past May in Hamilton, she was the only one who did a backflip in freestyle and ended up winning the competition. And I believe she finished second in the two-wheel skills, and she may have been third in timed racing. I think her background as a race car driver actually helps her, especially in the racing competitions. But she seems to get better each week, and she's got that truck dialed in, and she is most definitely on the path to being a world champion in the future. Thank you for watching.